guys, what is up? It's What is Yo guys, what is up? It's Kyler bringing another video, and today we are going to What do you want to do? No, we're not doing that.
Minecraft.
Okay. Guys, it's Kyler back with another video. Okay guys, time for the fly test. And yeah. First, my fly test. What? Never mind, we're not going to do the fly test right now. Editor, cut that part out.
What do you mean?
Okay, so, guys, first of all, we're going to do giveaway. So, if you are a lucky winner, you may get to win one of these. First, AirPods.
Or a phone.
Or a phone.
Or a Lamborghini.
Or a Lambo. Remote control Lambo. Obviously, I'm not going to buy you a Lambo whenever I'm 11 years old. But, yeah. And, yeah, obviously, I'm 11, if y'all don't know that. I'm super dumb, so yeah, I'm 11. 11-year-olds are super dumb. No offense, guys, if y'all are 11 watching this. But just saying, oh, see, that's why people are dumb. Oh, shoot, he's gonna throw it at me. Okay, somebody please copy that out. Oh, shoot, all right. Oh, shoot, all right. Okay, somebody meme that right now. And yeah, if you're one of the lucky winners, you get to, I can't see it, either the Lamborghini, that, or that, or that. So, let's get right into the flight. Okay, guys, so, what the heck? He has their Pringles all the way across the room. Okay, so, time for the fly test. Oh, shoot. Bro, you almost the movie screen. Okay, so time for the fly test. Mine's looking a little bad, but
Good.
Time for the fleet test. Not the fleet test. Time for the fleet test. Okay, that sounds weird. Time for the fly test, and you get first.
I will follow.
Film me, Will.
I got you.
This one is going to...
It won't work.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, guys, if Will gets his across the room, then he passes. I didn't get past.
I failed.
He failed. Okay, if you get 3 strikes, then you're out. Time for the next round of paper. Okay, guys, time for the flying test. Where'd mine go? Shoot. Okay, guys, time for the flying test. It's gonna be amazing.
Mine's good.
And mine's pretty good.
I've never perfected this. I'm going.
Okay, Will's going this time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Time for mine. Will take the camera.
Break off me, Sean.
Time for mine. If he goes all the way over there, then I win.
Woo!
Okay, guys, so that's it. Oh, no. We have one more. And then that's the end of this video. And yeah, we're going to do parkour for guys. Apparently, Will says he's going to win this one. You got to make a different design this time. Like, actually. Okay, I'm going to try to make a really cool design. Instead of Will. Making his weird design over there. Don't even tell me how bad it was. Please.
All across the room.
What?
Yeah.
What? No, that's not possible.
Yes, it is. Oh, what the fuck?
You're gonna go, what the freak? Okay, guys, mine is gonna be like amazing.
This is fun.
I
found a new fun thing to do.
found a new
Kyler.
thing.
Kyler.
I thought you already knew how to. Oh, bro, Murphy hit his head on that last time. He jumped off and kind of hit his head. Yeah, What?
It's so fun.
Okay, honestly, it looks like a racer plane, but
It's a laser pointer.
bro, like actually, what the
It's
crap?
a laser pointer.
Bro, please stop. Okay, bro, come film me. I'm gonna go first since mine's gonna suck.
Oh, that's mine.
I tripped you almost. Okay, guys, no practice at flying this. I don't know if it's hard or slow, but let's see how it
Chuck it. I want to win.
FBI, open up! What? Oh! 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 Hey! Hey,
FBI,
give me a fricker! Hey, give me a frickin' tone, buddy. There you go.
Time for Will's turn.
Okay, signing off for now. See ya.